really good in presentation.
I would totally use Memo app.
Startups like Memo, for example, showed us how to have a really creative way of having a marketing buzz, like what they did with C2 Montreal.
Memo app, of course, was a bit of a crowd favorite because they did the whole C2 Montreal stunt yesterday, 2 days ago, and that was all over the Twitter world and Facebook.
C'était vraiment quelque chose de très intéressant.
And it was a real show of creativity, thinking outside of the box.
Les gens semblent être très motivés, c'est des vrais entrepreneurs qu'on a vus aujourd'hui.
Okay, bonjour tout le monde. My name is Fred. Sound is good? Okay, perfect. And I'm going to present you Memo app today because we believe that planning get-togethers should be fun. So this is my friend Marc-Antoine. Like a lot of people from Quebec, yesterday he was down to watch the Abs game at his house. And he decided to invite some friends over. So to invite his friends, he's got three options. He can call them, he can text them, or he can send them a group message via Facebook or an application like WhatsApp. I asked 1,000 people, how are they using those three types of options? They told me, Fred, I would call maximum 3 people. I would text maybe maximum 6 people, and include in an inbox maybe 9 people. Then my last question was, how many friends would you have loved to share your everyday plans? They told me, Fred, I would love to share my plans with maybe 30 people. That means that there's minimum 60% of your best friends that will never be aware of your future plans. Why? Because you will never call 30 people. Nobody got time for that. Texting 10, 20, 30 people is a huge pain in the ass. It will generate like 30 different conversations. You will all get lost and your friends will ask you the same question. So who's coming and what's your address again? And including and creating an inbox or a group message sucks because it's just a huge conversation and you get lost and you struggle to see which information you want to know. So the result, every single day on Facebook, on Twitter, and on Instagram, we see great pictures of our best friends having fun, but sometimes we're not in the picture. We didn't get the memo. Je vais essayer de faire une démo de Memo. On va voir si ça marche. Alright, let's go. Okay, so Memo, we wanted to create the fastest way to suggest a plan to your best friend, the coolest way to suggest that plan. So we built Memo app. Is it working? All right. So you open your app and you've got your camera pop on. You can take a picture, smile. You can take a picture and then say, okay, MTL, NewTech tonight. NewTech. And then you choose your date, so today, tomorrow, obviously it's today, and then you send it to your best friends by just clicking on your friend's face. So instead of typing your friends, I'll invite Charlie, Jeff, Cyril, Jan, and then boom, you send it. So we wanted to build it that way so it can be really fast. If your friends do not have the app yet, no problem. We'll send your memo by SMS. So all those 5 people don't have the app yet, I just suggest you a plan, boom, send a memo is sent. So you see everybody that is in and who got the memo. So it's all organized in one single place. And your memo is right here in your menu of memo, right here. There's one in, Carol, all right. And then you see all your, so you've got, you can build a memo, you can suggest a plan to your best friends with a picture. You can also post a video and tell it with a video, and also choose one of our awesome preset backgrounds. So we've built, and that is the nicest way that people make Memo these days. So you can say beer bomb tonight, a shot of Jack, or okay, let's have a drink tonight. So it's, that is exactly Memo, and that's why we've did it. And it's, so your friends that did have the SMS, you can click it, it will go on memoapp.com and you'll get your memo with a link to download the app. So itself, the app is going viral if your friends creates a memo. So, all right. So that was the memo that I did for C2 Montreal. So we've crashed it. You can see the video on our website. It was awesome. Here are the founders. So myself, I did, this is my third startups. I'm specialized in Facebook. I consider myself as a Facebook event expert from a previous startup. I started Unlock Me a year ago, and so I've tracked all the Facebook events, and the idea of Memo came out of it. David is my CTO. He's got over 20 years of expertise in IT. It's also his third startups. So I'm surrounded by a team of marketing people that we focus on building the launch soon. Our focus right now is on customer acquisition, customer engagement, and increasing the viral coefficient. So that was my first memo. So it all started a month ago when I sent that memo, water skiing at Tremblant, who's in, and then it went to, right now we've got 1,000 users. So the next step is to launch iOS version in a month, then get to 100,000 memo created by the end of the summer, and to launch our Android really soon after that for the back to school. So next time you plan to go to picnic électronique, to a barbecue at your house, a golf game, or just to have a beer with your friends, think of Memo. Thank you very much.